Imagine savoring a perfectly cooked red lobster, its succulent meat tender and juicy, brimming with a unique blend of flavors that dance on your tongue. Picture the steam rising, carrying with it the tantalizing aroma of the sea, the buttery richness, and the hint of zesty lemon. Feel the crack of the shell, the texture of the meat, and the satisfaction of indulging in this exquisite culinary delight. Ready to turn this delicious fantasy into reality? Stay tuned to master the art of cooking red lobster. Great cooking begins with great ingredients. For our perfect red lobster feast, we'll need fresh red lobsters, of course. Then some unsalted butter to bring out that rich, succulent lobster flavor. Don't forget the garlic. It adds a subtle, aromatic touch that elevates the dish to a whole new level. Lemon wedges for that tangy kick, and a sprinkle of parsley for a dash of freshness. And finally, a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. With all these ingredients in place, we're ready to start cooking. Cooking is an art, and like any art, it requires patience and precision. Today, we're crafting a masterpiece with our red lobster, so let's dive in. First, we embark on the cleaning process. Rinse the lobster under cold water, scrubbing gently to remove any residual grit. This step is crucial, as cleanliness is the foundation of a great dish. Next, we'll lightly season our lobster. Remember, simplicity is key here. We want the natural flavors of the lobster to shine through. A touch of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and a brush of melted butter is all it takes to enhance the inherent sweetness of the lobster. Now onto the cooking. There are many ways to cook a lobster, but let's talk about two of the most popular methods: boiling and grilling. Boiling is a straightforward process that ensures an evenly cooked lobster. Just remember to time it right, roughly 8 to 10 minutes for a 1-pound lobster. Grilling, on the other hand, adds a smoky flavor that beautifully complements the lobster's natural sweetness. It's a bit more hands-on, requiring you to flip the lobster halfway through, but the end result is well worth the effort. And of course, let's not forget about the all-important step of letting the lobster rest after cooking. This allows the flavors to fully develop, making for a more enjoyable eating experience. And there you have it, a delicious, perfectly cooked red lobster. A few tips can make a good dish. Great! Patience is your secret ingredient here. Allow the lobster enough time to absorb the flavors and cook evenly. Remember, each ingredient has a role, so don't skip or substitute them carelessly. The butter brings out the lobster's rich taste, while the garlic adds a punch of flavor. The lemon is not just for garnish, it cuts through the richness, balancing the dish beautifully. With these tips in hand, every lobster you cook will be a culinary masterpiece. Congratulations! You're now a master of cooking red lobster. Remember, the secret to any perfect dish is practice and a pinch of love. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more amazing recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy cooking!